Are you planning a 30-day trip as a digital nomad? Whether you're working from a beach, a bustling city, or a cozy cafe, packing smart is the key to a smooth and productive journey. In this video, I'll cover must-have essentials to keep you organized, productive, and stress-free during your travels. Stay till the end for a pro packing tip that will save you time and space on your trip. Let's dive in. First up, must-have tech gear. Tech gear is the backbone of a digital nomad's life. Here's what you absolutely need. A lightweight laptop. A fast, reliable laptop is essential. Consider ultralight models like the MacBook Air M2 or Dell XPS 13 for easy portability. Portable laptop stand and mouse improve ergonomics and work efficiently anywhere. A compact laptop stand and wireless mouse can make all the difference. Noise-cancelling headphones block out distractions with Bose Quiet Comfort or Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones, perfect for co-working spaces and flights. A high-capacity power bank, ensure your devices stay charged all day. A 20000 mAh power bank is a lifesaver during long travel days. Universal travel adapter, power outlets differ worldwide. A universal adapter with USB ports keeps all your devices charged anywhere. Now let's talk about essential travel and clothing tips. Packing light but smart is the goal. Here's what you need. A minimalist wardrobe. Pack 7. 10 versatile clothing items that mix and match easily. Stick to lightweight, quick-dry fabrics. Comfortable shoes, one pair for walking, one for workouts or casual outings. Choose multi-purpose footwear to save space. Weather-appropriate layers. A light jacket or hoodie is perfect for unpredictable weather changes. A microfiber towel dries quickly and takes up minimal space. A must-have for hostels, beaches, or workouts. Packing cubes, keep your luggage organized and maximize space. Game changer for digital nomads. Safety is a top priority. Make sure to pack these essentials. Passport and digital copies. Keep both physical and digital copies of your passport, visa, and important documents. Store them in Google Drive or a secure cloud. RFID blocking wallet. Protect your credit cards from electronic theft with an RFID blocking wallet. Anti-theft backpack. Secure your valuables with a backpack that has hidden zippers and slash-proof material. Travel insurance. Unexpected events happen. Ensure you have coverage for medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and theft. Balancing work and travel means staying comfortable and focused. Here's what will help. SIM card or eSIM. Get a local or international eSIM for affordable data access. Consider options like Airalo or Holofly. A VPN. Secure your internet connection, especially on public Wi-Fi. Use NordVPN or ExpressVPN for data privacy. Reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste with a collapsible leak-proof bottle. Sleep mask and earplugs. Essential for sleeping well during flights, long bus rides, or noisy environments. A portable travel pillow. A neck pillow helps you rest comfortably on long journeys. Bonus tip. Use the roll, don't fold method when packing your clothes. Rolling your clothes saves space and reduces wrinkles. Try it out on your next trip. That's a complete packing guide for digital nomads. Now you're ready for your 30-day adventure abroad with all the right gear. Tell us in the comments, what's your must-have travel essential as a digital nomad? I'd love to hear your tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital nomad tips, AI tools, and travel hacks. See you in the next video.